Alright, pretty ugly rock. Most people would ignore it. Look right there. Right in the middle is a dragon. The head is to the top right, and that little rectangle looking thing is smoke coming out of his mouth. Hang on. Look over here. Still just a little piece of something that you wouldn't really care about. But if you look really close, that's a dragon, and that's a dragon. See the head? That head? And then here's the whole body of the dragon. It goes all the way around, keeps going. Right? Another dragon head, and then that other dragon.